chopped coriander, chopped onion, and grated carrot. Mango, it's optional. Ghee, or you can take coconut oil, chili powder, turmeric powder, and puffed rice. Now let's add chopped coriander. The onions, chopped onions. Now grated carrot. Now let's add the mango. And now ghee. Pinch of turmeric powder and chili powder. And now let's mix it. So now let's start cooking spicy puffed rice. Oh yeah! The ingredients are mustard, roasted peanuts, curry leaves, crushed garlic, dry chili, a pinch of turmeric, and obviously puffed rice. Add 2 tablespoons of oil, and now let's add the mustard and let it splatter. Now let's add the curry leaves, and now let's add crushed garlic, and now red chili. Now let's add roasted peanuts. And now a pinch of turmeric powder. And now if you want it more spicier, add some chili powder. Okay, now let's stir it well. Okay, now let's add the puffed rice. Now let's mix it. Now we are going to make lemon puffed rice. The ingredients are curry leaves, green chili, mustard seed, chopped onion, chopped coriander, turmeric powder, lemon juice, roasted peanuts, and puffed rice, which is soaked in water for 2 minutes and squeezed and place it in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and then add mustard seeds and let it spread. Now let's add curry leaves. Now let's add onion. Now let's add green chili. A pinch of turmeric powder. Now let's add roasted peanuts. Now let's add puffed rice. Let's mix it well. Now let's add salt. Let's stir it well. Now let's add lemon juice. Now let's stir it. Now let's add coriander. Let's stir it well. Guys, lemon puffed rice is ready! Hooray! Don't forget to press the